We're at Hospital Direct Medical looking at operating room tables, surgical tables, and right now we're looking at a Maquet 1420 orthopedic table. And the Maquet 1420 orthopedic table is basically going to be used for open and closed nailing. This is a very popular surgical table to be used for hip replacements, AO techniques, and other types of orthopedic surgery. And this is going to come biomed ready, biomed certified. As you can see, we've got all the parts and pieces. It's all ready, packed, ready for shipping. And this is going to be patient ready. Go look at the pendant, the remote. But as far as functionality goes, you've got your up and down, your Trendelenburg, and then your tilt. And we do carry a wide variety of surgical and operating room tables and operating room equipment. So if you're looking for operating tables, we also have AMSCO 3080s, AMSCO 3085s. We've got Surgigraphic carbon fiber top tables. We've got just about anything and everything you need for a surgery or an OR, and even anesthesia monitors, anesthesia machines, surgical lights, and more. But if you're doing orthopedic surgery or you need an orthopedic OR table, give us a call. Hospital Direct Medical, 858-263-4894. You can also get more information off our website, www.hospitaldirectmedical.com. And you can call us also at our Richmond, Virginia location, 540-327-7376.